The Hynniewtrep Youth Council today demanded Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong for a CBI probe into the alleged misuse of power distribution Saubhagya Scheme to the tune of 149 crore rupees. The HYC said the Meghalaya Power Minister James P.K. Sangma should be removed from the present post when the investigation is going. Speaking to the media, the HYC General Secretary Roy Kupar Sindram said the government should also remove the incumbent Director of Finance Arun Kembhavi to facilitate independent inquiry.
Okay, so today, the 7th of July 2020, our organization, HYC Central Body, we have sent a letter to address to the Chief Minister of the state as well as the Deputy Chief Minister, demanding for a CBI inquiry into the alleged scam for the implementation of Saubhagya Scheme in the state of Meghalaya. We have seen from the beginning, right from 2019, there were allegations regarding the implementation of the Saubhagya Scheme in the state of Meghalaya, in which a lot of public representatives have raised issues of misappropriation as well as the undue favor given to some companies for awarding of the contract of a Saubhagya Scheme in the state of Meghalaya. Yesterday, the 6th of July, we have seen one report under the caption CAG detects 149 crore scam in Saubhagya Scheme, which was published in one of the local newspaper in the state. Based on this report, we have sent this letter to the Chief Minister of the state, placing three main demands before him. The first demand is that we have also seen that the state government has already constituted an inquiry committee to be headed by a retired judge of the Allahabad High Court to look into the irregularities pertaining to the MECL and its subsidiaries, as well as to submit a report before the government. But other than that, we want that this inquiry committee, in addition to the inquiry committee, we want that a CBI inquiry should be initiated exclusively for the scam, for the alleged scam in this implementation of the Saubhagya Scheme. We don't want this committee to take up this the scam of the Saubhagya Scheme. So we have made a demand before the Chief Minister that the state government should take steps to initiate or to take the help of CBI in order to unearth this alleged scam in the implementation of the Saubhagya Scheme. Because we have seen that right from the beginning, as per this report, that there is the contract was awarded to these companies above the estimated price, in which it has been stated that the estimated this company have quoted even above 50% above the estimated price of the project. So we are of the opinion that there may be a scam involved in the implementation of this scheme in the state of Meghalaya. So in order to be able to find out who are responsible for this scam, the CBI inquiry should be initiated. The second demand that we have put before the government is that the minister in charge of the power department, James P.K. Sangma, should be relieved of his portfolio. In the last few days, we have seen that the government has already removed the CMD of the MECL and also the power secretary of the power department, and in their place some new officers have been appointed. We want that the minister in charge, who is responsible to look after the power department, in whose charges these scams have alleged to be committed, we want him to be not involved in so that he will not be able to interfere with the inquiry committee or this inquiry commission. We want him to be relieved of the power portfolio, so that this inquiry committee as well as the CBI inquiry, if it is initiated, will be a free and fair inquiry. The third demand that we have put before the government is that we have seen that although Arun Kembhavi, who is earlier the CMD of MECL, he has been relieved of the post of CMD, but yet he has still been appointed as the Director of Finance of MECL. So we have put a demand before the government that he should be relieved of this post of Director of Finance MECL and should not be appointed in the MECL or its subsidiaries or even in the power department, so that the inquiry committee will not be interfered with it during its investigation. So these are the three demands that we have put before the state government, as well as this letter we have sent to the Cabinet Secretary of the Power Ministry, so that they take cognizance of this. Since the Saubhagya Scheme is a central scheme, they should also have a say in whatever that is happening in the state of Meghalaya. We have not yet decided to give any deadline. We have made a demand, and at the same time we will be pressurizing, we will be giving this copy to all the partners involved in the MDA in order to tell them to pressurize the NPP-led government so that they can take up this issue with the Chief Minister, so that James P. Samna will be relieved of this portfolio. We are not questioning the credibility of the judge or the members of the committee as constituted by the state of Meghalaya. But after this report that was reported yesterday, it seems that there are a lot of things that has happened in the implementation, particularly of the Saubhagya Scheme. That's why we want that Saubhagya Scheme should be investigated separately and not mixed up with other irregularities that are happening in MECL. Because as we all know, there are a lot of things that happen in MECL. There are schemes of ERP or enterprise resource planning. There was a scam involved in that as alleged. There are other tendering process. So we want that Saubhagya Scheme, which is a central scheme, it should be investigated separately by an investigative agency like the CBI, and the inquiry committee headed by the retired judge should investigate the other irregularities in the. See, as have stated, today we have just written to the Chief Minister. Let's see what is his reply. After that, we shall sit and then decide on the next course of action.
Thank you.